Bi-Directional DVI Male to HDMI Female Cable. Enable you to connect your source device like laptop, desktop, Blu-ray, Raspberry Pi, TV box, Roku, graphics card, Xbox 360, PS3, Wii, DVD or set-top box to your HDTV display or projector with an extra HDMI male-to-male cable, sold separately. Triple shielding. Double aluminum foil and tinned copper braided inside this cable could maximally protect against electromagnetic interference, (EMI), and radio frequency interference, (RFI), providing stable signal transferring. Support 1080p resolution. UGREEN DVI to HDMI cable supports resolution up to 1080p Full HD. So you can play high-definition movies or photos on your big-screen HDTV or computer monitor. Durable cable. 24K gold-plated connector makes this adapter anti-oxidation and anti-corrosion. 28 Aruban fluorines copper conductor ensures high-definition signal transmission. PVC jacket makes the cable more durable and flexible. Broad compatibility. Bidirectional HDMI DVI video cable is compatible with all HDMI or DVI-D 24+1 equipped devices, and also suitable for DVI-I 24+5 equipped devices. Work excellently for laptop, desktop, Blu-ray, Raspberry Pi, TV box, Roku, graphics card, Xbox 360, PS3, Wii, DVD, set-top box, HDTV, display and projector. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great for Raspberry Pi. This worked great to connect a Raspberry Pi to a monitor with a DVI connector.